Welcome guys in this new lecture of Python versus C++ programming series. In today's lecture we'll see how to initialize variables in Python and in C++. Let's start with Python first. In Python, suppose I'm writing say a equal to any number, say 5. It means that I have created a variable whose name is a and it holds a value which is 5. This is a variable and you can name it anything. Now I'm writing b equal to say 10. It means that I have created a variable b which is holding a value 10. So 5 and 10 are constants and a and b are the names of variables and you can name it anything. Now let's print those variables. So in Python we use print command to display anything onto the output, and in quotes if I write anything in quotes, it means that I want to display it as it is, and then I am writing a without quotes, so value of a will be printed, not a itself. So this is how you can print the value. You can see the value onto the screen in Python. Suppose I am writing print b equal to b here, where b is in quotes, that will be printed as it is, and b without quotes will give the value. Let's run this file and see. Here it is, a equal to 5, b equal to 10. Now let's see the same thing in C++. So I'm writing hash include iostream, which is the first thing to be included in C++ file. Then I'll be using namespace std, and we saw this in previous lecture that this is a convention which is easy to use. Then in C++ everything has to be within the main function. So I'm writing int main, normal braces, then inside curly braces. Now you have to remember that in C++ language you have to declare everything first. So I'm writing int a equal to, let's take the same value. So I'm taking 5 and semicolon to end this line. Then I'll take another variable int b equal to 10. Now if you see, both these variables are of same data type. Both are these integers. So either you can write this way in separate lines, or you can write it in another way if you have same data type. So I can write a equal to 5 and comma b equal to 10. Again remember that if the data type is same, then only you have to write in this way. Now in C++, cout is used to display the value. So what we did in Python, just we'll do here using cout. In quotes I'll write a equal to, and that will be printed as it is, and then without quotes I'll write a and then end l to come back to the next line. Now let's print for b also. So you can see auto tab 9 is helping me to complete all these things, but you can type it also. Now here I am not generating any new logic, so I'm using the auto tab completion. Now let's run this and see. For the first time it will take some time, no problem with that. Let's see. Okay, so here a equal to 5 and b equal to 10, that's it. So in this way you can print the values, you can initialize the variables in Python and in C++. Now I'm going to show you one important setting that will be very useful in coming lectures. Print terminal by going to the settings, and you have to scroll down and you have to check one setting here. That setting is run in terminal. So if you scroll down you will find that here it is. So you can see run in terminal. You have to just make sure that you have to check this box. I have already checked it. It will allow you to type in here in bottom in the terminal section. Without this you can't type. So that's it for this lecture. Hope you understand how to initialize the variables in C++ and Python. Thank you.